can put the window down if you want to see it.
Wow.
There are millions. Sometimes there are millions of them. We are in Germany now, guys.
Oh.
So you know.
You're
But-
German?
Yeah, we're in Germany now.
German birds.
German.
But there is no police, no guard,
no guard,
No,
nothing.
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 European.
I'm video করতেছি এটা।
Oh,
European Union.
nice.
It's going to be video.
Ja, det er et flot syn, det er det.
Oh, sorry. Wrong. See.
Wow.
And they're sitting in those what do you call it, straws. And when an eagle come over and tries to catch one, they all fly up to distract the eagle, so it doesn't know where to. Usually there's a eagle flying around.
I've seen this kind of bird in geography. But now I have seen.
In real life.
Real life. What are things?
It's like one big...
Yeah.
They're talking about making this to National Park.
Historisk National Park.
National Park here in Denmark, because they
This looks like Sotter.
look there. It looks very good.
Kom lige til at gæste og
Probably
svære.
for guests there.